To connect Facebook to your DPO Store site, hover over Marketing and then click Facebook. Now click Get Started. Select Continue as your name. Select Get Started. Select your store. Select your page. Add Instagram profile. If you have Instagram, you can enter your login details. Then click Continue. Select your catalog. Select your pixel. Select Continue. Select Next. Select your domain. Then Submit for review. Finally, click Done. And you've now authenticated Facebook. To redirect to your page, click here. Next, navigate to Product Sync and then click Enable Product Sync. You can exclude certain categories or products that you don't want to show up on Facebook, and you can also change the standard or short description for Product Description Sync. You can also select the default Google product category and then the main category as well. So in this case, in the shop we would say food, beverages and tobacco, food items, and then we can select prepared meals and entrees. Save changes and it will sync automatically. Under product sets, you can add the WooCommerce product categories, in this case pastries and savories, and we add this particular product set. You can also enable Messenger. To manage your colors, you click here. This opens up the Facebook Business Extension Management. You click View, Update Plugin, enter your default message. You can select your language and you can change your own colors. Click Done, and then Messenger will be added. Finally, under Advertise, if you want to create an ad, you click Create Ad. This will open the pop-up under Ad Center, and you get started with automated ads, adding more visitors to your website, Instagram posts, and so on. To view your items on Facebook Shop, you go to Commerce and your items will show up as synced. And that's how you connect Facebook to your DPO store.